best way to start the day.
Good morning, guys. So today's going to be a video in a bit of an unusual place. Probably not many videos have been filmed here on YouTube. I'm in a place called Midland, Texas. It's West Texas, about 8 or 9 hours more or less from Houston. I've basically been working here. I work here like 2 weeks and then I go back to Houston and work there 4 weeks on a rotation. This is my third time out here. The other times I didn't bring any cameras or anything because here's basically the middle of nowhere, so I didn't think there'd be anything to film at all. But since I've been driving around here, I've actually seen quite a few cool things. There's lots of like deserted places, abandoned places as well. And nearby there's actually a cool state park with like sand dunes and stuff, which isn't common for Texas. I've never been to any sand dunes here in Texas. Yeah, I decided to make a video and we'll explore around here a bit. First up is a town. It's about 40 minutes south of Midland. It's kind of completely abandoned. I think only about 600 people live here now. It was basically like an oil and gas town. There was like a boom in the early 1900s, so loads of people had moved here, but then I think after like the Great Depression and then they found other oil fields, yeah, just people left, and right now it's pretty damn deserted. I've drove through here a few times. I've never stopped by though, but I've always seen like really interesting buildings and stuff, so yeah, let's check it out. Man, that's super old school. All made out of metal. Yeah, I ain't trying to get in that place. What have we got here? Rancher's Supply Store. Here we've got some like old school barbecue joint. Alright, so there might be nothing here, but this place has the best graffiti art ever made. Check this out. Look at that. The cowboy selfie mural. That's so funny. Before I leave, I just saw this other part. So behind me you have like the railroad, so that's why it became like one of the main towns during the boom of that oil field. And then over here, yeah, it seemed to have like some sort of museum, but it doesn't seem to be open. Heading out of here now. I'm gonna head to another place now that I saw on the way here that was like way more abandoned even than this, so yeah, that should be cool. It's super hot, man. Like, this is Texas. It's only March, like spring, but it's like 30 degrees Celsius. That's somewhere around the 90s in Fahrenheit, so yeah, it's a tough one. This is the place that I saw on my way to Rankin. Now this is like legit abandoned place. Check this out. Looks like some old school farmhouse or something. But yeah, this is completely run down. Really sketchy. Whoa. Yeah, I ain't going inside this thing. This looks like it could fall any minute. You got two. You got this one over here, another one over there. Anyway, I'm probably gonna stop exploring abandoned places for today. It's pretty sketchy out here. But here you can see this is pretty much how it is all the way around here in Midland. Like, it's just loads of farms, stuff like that, loads of oil rigs, loads of oil pumps. That's all you see, just nothing at all. There's not that much wildlife, just the normal stuff like cows, horses. You see some deer as well, rabbits. But I did actually see the strangest thing ever, which I'll show you a clip of now that I got on my phone the other day. Hey. Hello there. Look at this guy, man. Beautiful pose. So yeah, the alpacas are migrating away from Machu Picchu. They're tired of all the people filming them, putting cameras in their face, and they've come here to West Texas. I later read that it's because they have farms here in Texas, alpaca farms, because of the fur. The fur's really like, I think you can get a lot of money for the fur, and they can adjust to the climate here pretty well. So yeah, that's the reason, but still really surprised, right? Last place I thought I'd see an alpaca was West Texas. Alright, so just arrived at Monahans Sandhills State Park. This is what I told you about before, like the sand dunes. Looks pretty awesome, man, like way better than I thought. All the way around, look. I'm tired because I've been walking a bit already. So I got this like little sand sledge thing. Never done that before on sand, so yeah, right now I'm just on a little mission to try and find some good sand dunes. Looks like it's going to be pretty good fun. Alright, I think I'm going to try this one here, down there. Looks pretty cool. Man, this place really is impressive. I didn't expect it to be this good. Alright, switching to the GoPro. Backwards, no. Okay, I think I'm done with sand sledging for today. I'm pretty tired. But here is just like so peaceful, man. And I think I'm just gonna chill out here a bit. It's like 7 p.m. I think sunset should be soon. You can see over here the strong sun going down. Awesome dunes. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna rest here and wait it out. So you're gonna see now why I decided to stick around. The sunset is like magnificent right now. Look at that. Sky's like blown up into this all this pink. That looks awesome. Alright, going to head out now, guys. That sunset was legit. Yeah, just a really good day, unexpected day. Here in the middle of nowhere, saw quite a lot of stuff. So yeah, definitely heading out anyway. Probably get eaten by like coyotes soon. They have those over here. So, and for those of you that are tired of me filming around Texas, I am actually going to Costa Rica in about 2 weeks. So got those videos coming up. Have some cool tropical vibes. And if you like this video, drop a like and please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.